Good day, everyone. In the field of industrial engineering, the biggest challenge isn't just fixing machines. It's the logistic of knowing when to fix them and ensuring you have the parts to do it. Today, our team presents Project AMOS. This is a Python-based console application designed to bridge the gap between three critical factory areas. First, asset tracking. Second, inventory control. And third, maintenance execution. Instead of using separate spreadsheets, AMOS links them into one reactive system.
Before using the program, please review these important rules to ensure correct data entry and avoid any errors. The first one is session-based memory. If you close the program, all data is deleted. Do not close until you are finished. The next one is date formats. You must strictly use year, month, and date. For example, 2023, 10, 25. Any other format will cause an error. For example, you put the month first like 10, 25, 2023, it will cause error or be considered as invalid data. The next one is numbers only. For cost or ID, type numbers only like 50. Do not type 50 with any sign like peso sign or dollar sign or yung mismong spelling niya na which is FIFTY. First off, let us run the program first. Type the number of your choice from 1 to 5 and press enter. With that, you will be directed to the module you have chosen. To return, simply select Go Back. You stay in a submenu until you select the Back to Main menu option.
And now, let us start navigating the modules of the program. First, we have the machine management. As you can see, we have 5 choices. First, the view machines. Check the status column. If the date has passed, it will say overdue. Second, add machine. You can enter the name like hydraulic press. Now, you can choose the priority. It's either high, low, normal. Then let's choose low. Then next, we can choose interval of 30 days. Then, let's enter the last maintenance date of the machine, like 2024 02 15. Then lastly, we check the input in the list. Note the system automatically calculates the next due date. Third, we can edit the machine. First, enter the ID of the machine you want to edit. As you can see, we have 3 choices. Now let's try changing the name. Try compressor. And lastly, we can delete the machine. It removes a decommissioned machine from the active registry. We can try removing the ID number 4.
So for the next one, we have the inventory management. So we have a rule here, which is you cannot perform maintenance if you don't have the spare parts here first. So for the view spare parts, we need to check the stock levels, add new part type. So we need to add new part types to your existing account. So first, we choose the part type to be added. So let's try chains. Then we enter its quantity. So let's try 10. And then we input the cost per unit of the part type. And then we're going to try 16. So with that, the new item chains is added to the inventory. So for the next one, we need to restock existing part. So first, we choose the item in the existing list to be restocked. So let's try belt. And then we input the number of belts to be added in the inventory. So let's try 20. So with that, the stocks for the belt is now updated to 30, and since we added 20 more belts to the existing 10 belts.
And now, let's proceed to perform maintenance. This updates history, inventory, and machine schedules in one step. First, we need to select machine. Enter the ID of the machine we want to perform maintenance. So, let's do the first machine, CNC miller. After that, we need to choose job type. It's either preventive or breakdown. We want to avoid further implications, so we will do the preventive maintenance. After that, we will enter the technician name. So let's try Nicholas. For part checking, it's whether we use spare parts on the maintenance procedure or not. And yes, if you use spare parts, enter the part name. Let's try filter. Then the quantity, 10, and labor cost of 200. There may be some instances where we encounter errors. If you request more parts than you have in the module 2, the system will block you, so you need to restock first. And lastly, the system will save the log and reset the machine's due date.
Next, the next module is the reports and analysis. So first, we have the view overdue of machines. Listed here are the machines that are overdue and need fixing. Second, we have the maintenance history log. These are the list of all the past jobs and its cost. And third, we have the cost analysis. Listed here are the comparison between preventive costs and breakdown costs. And tip, if breakdown costs are higher, you should perform maintenance more often.
And lastly, for the exit system, select this to safely close the program. And reminder that this action will wipe all the data from the session.
Additionally, these are the details for troubleshooting and frequently asked questions. And that is all for Project AMOS. Thank you.